Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another day with another unboxing. As you all should know by now, Ledoux is my absolute favorite clothing brand. I would say that 99%, or at least of the hoodies and t-shirts that I wear, is from Ledoux. So yeah, I get a lot of questions about Ledoux, yada yada yada. But the other day, I got a question since I'm mostly known for my sneaker collection. I got the question, how are they in sizing? And I felt sort of embarrassed that I didn't know. I don't have any Ledoux sneakers at all. They got a bunch of them. One high, I don't want to say, but one high top that sort of looked like the Air Force One, and a skate shoe that sort of looked like the SB Dunk. So I went to the site just to buy a pair of shoes, just to give you an answer about how they are in sizing. And I found a pair that just happened to match my new headphones. That just happened to match my new bag. So I saw it as a sign. Let's see.
Hip
And I believe that they gave me some extra candy this time. You usually get one of these when you order something from Ledoux. So thank you for those extra candy. Let's see if we can get this out. And as said, they have a bunch of shoes, like boots and sneakers, etc. Yada yada. And since I more or less only wear Nike, and since I'm having a hard time with sizing with Reebok and Adidas, I only wear Nikes and mostly Air Jordans. But these were nice. So size 46, UK 12, US 13. That is not correct. So they either are sizing them differently than Nike, or I maybe bought. This was a little bit more interesting than I thought, because in Nike, US 12 is European 46, and that's a UK 11. And here they say European 46, UK 12, US 13. I really like these bags. This is absolutely extra for me for being a VIP customer. I use my blue one daily when I go shopping. Thank you very much for that. And I believe here is another one. Yes, another tote bag. Thank you. I am a big VIP customer, big fan of Ledoux, and I have great connection with them, and that's why they do things like that. And I'm so grateful, and that only makes me buy more and more of their products. This is a premium product. Your new Ledoux leather footwear has been crafted by hand. Any variations of the leather are due to natural properties of the material and should not be perceived as imperfections. Wear with care. We truly hope that you will enjoy this product. I did not expect that. They were cheaper than a pair of Nikes, like 180 euro. They were nice. You see, this is a perfect example that Nike can do way better with their sneakers and their prices. The rubber sole is very soft, very rubbery, so the grip will be good. The leather is nice. Soft shoe. This was better than expected. Even the lacing is better than the Nike. Soft insole. I like this. Looks like a SB Dunk. I don't need to say that, you can see that clearly. So it is a skate shoe. And the model is called Wolf. And I don't know, I think they just call white leather. But this matching bag are called coconut milk. And these, what were they called? Not plain white, something else. But I like this. I call this sail. I call this off-white. Maybe eggshell white. Soft shoe. I like this. I did absolutely not expect to be disappointed because everything that Ledoux sells are with great quality. I just did not at all expect a pair of shoes for 180 euro, dollars, whatever you want to call it, to be handcrafted with premium leather. Nice. And as you see, it clearly looks like a SB Dunk. Do I have a pair of lows here? No, I don't think so. Because here in my kitchen, which is my unboxing room, I only have basketball shoes, only Jordans. But I'm gonna put them on foot and see how they are in size, because the sizing worries me a little bit. Because this is the issue with different brands. They, for some reason, count differently. Like I ordered a pair of Louis Vuitton in size. Did I go for European size? I think I went with the European size 46. For some reason, the camera got turned off by itself again. I really don't like that. That worries me a lot. But, I spoke long enough anyway. Really easy to put on, so that is no problem. And I would maybe say, no, they are true to size. But what I really like is that they are wide, so they don't at all fit like your SB Dunks that is not good for wide feet. Sorry for you have to see this. But all right, so my thing is that I am a 46 wide feet. These, no, you could go down a size. Yeah, they are US 13. We can say that. They are US 13. Yeah. They are too big for me. It's an easy fix for me. I just put my inlet soles in them, and that's fine. But you can't go after European size. But if you go after UK size and US size, then you are right on it. So if I should just choose a US 12, then it would be good. But these are US 13. Because I went after European size, which is 46. And these are 46, but they are absolutely not uncomfortable big. Absolutely not. But since I'm doing this video for you, to help you choose the right size, I would say go after your US size and UK size, not the European size. Because then they are one size too big. I hope that explains it all for you. So if you go European size, you should go down a size. If you go after UK size and US size, then you are right on it. Nice shoe, looks really nice. They look really nice. Even with this, what I'm wearing right now, it even matches my bandage. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.